Alright, let's look at question 13. 3 over 11 of students in a school like rugby. 1/4 of the remaining students like soccer and the rest like tennis. Okay guys, we stop here first. So if you have a fraction, then after that I have fraction of the remaining students, okay, and then I have the rest, right? The modern method that we will use, it has to be the layering method, okay? So what does this layering method do, right, is that we have a first layer of the model, then we have the second layer, and sometimes we might follow with a third layer. Okay, so how to go about doing it, let me just show you. So 3 over 11 of students, right, what does it mean is that all together I have 11 units. And 3 of the 11, they like rugby. So this is how I will do. Okay, next. It says 1/4 of the remaining students like soccer. Okay, so guys, can you see this remaining? So can you see 8 units are the remaining. So what I will do is that I will dot. So I begin to draw the second layer. So this second layer, it represents the remaining students. And can you see 1 over 4? So this remaining part, right, I have to divide it into 4. So it goes like this. And this versus this, right, they are the same. So this 4 units is the same as this 8 smaller units here. Okay? So 1/4 of the remaining students like soccer, so this is soccer. And the rest like tennis. Okay, so now if you compare the same remaining, right, 4 and 8 units, you can actually divide them into the same unit size, right? So it will become 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, and with this I can just do a quick conclusion. So rugby is 3 units, soccer will be 2 units, and tennis would be 6 units. So it says that 3, 4, 8 more students like tennis than rugby, right? So tennis versus rugby, can you see 6 units minus of 3 units, I have 3 units. So these 3 units is 3, 4, 8. And 1 unit, it will be 1, 1, 6. Okay, so how many students are there in the school altogether? Okay, very simple. Altogether, can you see that there are 11 units? Okay, so 11 units equals 116 times 11. It has to be 1276. Okay, so that's the answer.